What's going on, guys? Back with another one. Today we are going to be trying to get this little intake pretty much 90% of the way, almost ready for machining, and I wouldn't mind doing a little bit of work on the bike, but we'll see what we get done. But let's get into this. All I got to do is machine the nitrous injection little ports here. So all I got to do is machine these ports and then machine the injector ports, all those bosses, get them ready to be welded up, make the top, throttle body, get it done. Okay, so I've had to step away to talk because of the porting. It's super loud, but yeah, that's 8 of them. As you can see, it's just a little thread in there. These are for the nitrous injection. So now I have to go and part off the injector bosses for each runner and get them pretty much all at the same size, or as close to, you know, within a few thou. But yeah, let's go and part some injector bosses. Okay, so sadly I didn't get to do all of it. I ended up getting a little bit distracted today with a few people coming in, but it is just a long process to get each one of these right. You know, have to shape them, cut a few mil off here, cut a few mil off there, radius them. As you can see, that one isn't even radius at the end. But yeah, but when they are done properly, they look like this. So I managed to get one side completely done. And it's the same process with the injector bosses. Sometimes the mill height isn't always the same, so I have to take a few mil off here, take a few mil off there. Sometimes I even have to completely bin one and get a new one. So yeah, these are the same process. And then putting all the radiuses at the top. But yeah, they are very time consuming, but worth the result at the end. But in other news, we have another part for the Audi has finally arrived. That is this packaging right here, and it is going to be a little bit tricky with one hand. The ball bearing kit that I ordered. So, which one's the 6 mil? That one right there. So that would be probably that one. That completely shot out like a bullet. So I had to buy this whole kit to just get one of those. But if I ever need one in the future, I have a ball bearing. So I can finally repair that and get the Audi timed up and hopefully out of here. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I didn't get to do too much into it. I didn't even get to touch that today. The parting the manifold and all those little bosses really take up a lot of time. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you all in the next video.